Welcome to our learning vlog. Let me ask you something. What if the phone in your pocket could actually become your teacher? Sounds surprising, right? Well, technology today like this is not just for social media or games. It's also a powerful tool for learning. First, technology as a tutor. This is when technology becomes your mini teacher. For example, reading apps for phonics or math apps that give quizzes and instant feedback, guiding you step by step. Second, technology as a teaching tool. Teachers use technology to explain lessons better, like showing science videos, PowerPoint presentations, or digital storybooks to make learning more visual and exciting. And last, technology as a learning tool. This is when students create and explore, like making a digital poster, drawing on a tablet, or creating a simple presentation for class. So remember, technology is not just for entertainment. When used wisely, it makes learning more fun, interactive, and meaningful. So that's our TikTok for today. See ya for the next learning vlog. Bye-bye!
I just had to let you know you're